You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these two words once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English, stay tuned. More videos for you coming up. Secret is the top word. Secret as in something that you do not want people to know. A secret, so that's a noun. Secret. Secret, stress on the first syllable. Now, the bottom word here is a verb, which is pronounced secrete, which is like a cell or a gland, an organ, a body produces or discharges a substance. Secrete. Secrete. Some may say it as secrete as well. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.